guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. We are going to be testing out the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the mini size. Now, I'm not saying that the formula is any different than the full size, but recently Kat Von D listened to her loyal fans and her customers, and her iconic Lock-It Foundation, she came out with a mini size. So I've not tried this foundation before. I've not tried the full size out, and I've always wanted to. The shade range was always a little questionable for me, but I just decided to go for it when they released the mini because obviously it is a fraction of the price. So I'm going to do a first impressions for you guys today. If you want to see this video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see what this Lock-It Foundation does, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so as I mentioned earlier, the shade range in my opinion is a little wonky. I don't know, all of the darker shades seem very rich. So, and when I say rich, they just look like they run really red. So just not sure how that will really work with my skin tone. So I went ahead and purchased the color D76 Warm, and it comes in this little tube. And of course the same signature Lock-It Kat Von D logo and design as the big bottle. The big bottle comes in like a plastic component or a glass component, something like that. Right, so I want to pull this up for you guys. So the full size Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation retails for $35, and you do get 1 fluid ounce. And in this new mini, they retail for $18, and you get 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 fluid ounces. So it's half the price, half the size. And I say we just go ahead and jump in and test this bad boy out. Now, hang on just a second. I want to try out, no, I'm gonna stick to what I know. So we are gonna first start with priming the face using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And I talked about this in my favorites for you all. I guess it was last month before last. You all, I have been loving this, and as you can tell, I've already hit pan on it. Like, I am using the heck out of this, you all. It is a little pricey, but you all, it works. It's like a skincare grade primer. Like, it really works. I think it retails for like $52 maybe. But it is so nice. I really, really like it. Okay, so no judgment on the shade because I feel like this is probably going to be a little off. But for the sake of the video, we're going to go with it regardless, okay? And I'm just going to make this look work. So look, I haven't even opened it, haven't tested it. I did not go into the store and swatch it or anything like that. I just ordered it straight off of the website. All right, I'm gonna take a little dollop here and just kind of put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, it runs a little red, but we're gonna go for it. So the Lock-It foundation, hold on, let me get a wipe to wipe this off the back of my hand before I have it everywhere. So let me see what it says. So the Lock-It foundation says that it's flexible, full coverage, 24-hour wear. And I do believe that I read somewhere, and maybe it was online reviews, that it is sweat proof, transfer proof, the whole nine. Let's see here. So it says, what's my phone doing? Okay, it is full coverage. It is a matte finish. Obviously it's a liquid. It is good for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin, and it's free of parabens, and this product is also vegan and cruelty free. And it says a little goes a long way. 1 full pump is too much for a full coverage face look. Build in a pea-sized droplet until you achieve the finish that you want. 1 pea-sized droplet gives you medium to full coverage. 2 pea-sized droplets gives you flawless full coverage. Okay, so let's just go in. I'm just gonna go in. All right, I know it said a pea size, but I just don't. Okay, I'm gonna start over here and just kind of see what we get. So I'm gonna do half of my face and see what happens. Now clearly I'm using way more than they said, but I just want to see what it really is doing here. This color is way off. Way off. Oh my gosh, I just got it under my nail. Getting foundation under your nail is the worst. Oh. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with my Sigma F80 flat top kabuki brush. And let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, this definitely runs a little red. So I've got my mirror right here, so. All right, so can you tell a difference? So this set half of my face has nothing on it. This side has the Lock It foundation in the D76 Warm. I believe that's right, yeah, D76 Warm. Foundation, no foundation. Foundation, no foundation. All right, let's go on and finish the other side. Okay, so here we are. I'm kind of liking this, even though I think the color does run a little warm. I actually kind of like it. I don't know, what do y'all think? Definitely matte. It is definitely a mattifying foundation. So if you don't like matte foundations, this is not the foundation for you. But I think it looks really nice. Sorry, I'm just sitting here looking at myself in my mirror up close. Okay, let me finish a little bit more of my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back with the finished look and I think it looks okay. I'm kind of digging it. I think it set really nice once I put some powder on and of course added a pop of highlight. I smoked out the eye and of course put on a signature bold red lip. And I think overall it looks nice. It feels really nice. It feels really comfortable. It really doesn't feel heavy or like I have anything on. I know I read a couple of mixed reviews. Some people said that it was really heavy. Some said it didn't feel like anything at all. And I'm on the lines of I really don't feel like I have anything on my face. And I think it looks really nice. So I think once I use this up, I'll probably repurchase this because I think this would be a good travel size. And then I think I will also go ahead and purchase the full size to keep here, you know, at home in my regular beauty stash for just regular everyday use. But I definitely do think that it's very mattifying. So this is definitely a spring and summer type foundation. I don't know that I would wear this all winter long. In the winter, I like to have that nice kind of glow from within, dewy, almost natural look. So I do like a little bit more moisture on my face in the winter months. And the NARS Natural Longwear Foundation is perfect for that. Sorry, I've got the hiccups. The Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation is really nice for that. The Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, the NARS Sheer Glow. Those are some great alternatives to use in the fall and winter months when it's just a little bit more dry outside and you don't want to be super duper matte to where your face is kind of cracking and scaly and just really dry looking. You never want to just look dry. I do think that this is great for use every now and then, and definitely in the summer months when you want to keep all of the oil and the moisture at bay. So I will say that this is 2 thumbs up. Definitely like this, and kind of kicking myself in the butt for waiting so long to try this, but definitely worth the $18 or $19 that I spent on this mini size. I did get this at Sephora during the VIB sale, so it was 20% off, so definitely a hit for me. All right, guys, leave me some comments. Let me know what products you want to see me test out next. That way you don't have to go and waste your hard-earned coin if it flops. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching, and be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. And before we go, do not forget to share this video with all of your friends, family, cousins, loved ones, sister, brothers, aunties, uncles. I don't care. We are almost at 2,500 subscribers. You guys, I have a humongous bin of products to go in my next giveaway pile. So be sure to help spread the word and share my channel link, share any of the videos that you like, so you can urge people to subscribe, because I want to give all this stuff away. I've definitely got enough to where I can break this up into 2 different giveaways, so I want to do that. So sharing is caring, so go ahead and help a sister out. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!